we got going on today?
We're skydiving.
Skydiving. Any special occasion for going skydiving?
Not particularly. We're in the area visiting from DC and just haven't done it before, so why not this time?
Okay, so skydiving, first time in Colorado.
We need it.
Well, it's a beautiful day. There's a lot to see out there. This is gonna be absolutely amazing. You guys look ready. I'm ready. Let's go have some fun. Up.
Awesome!
Here we go.
Woo!
Can you do a flip? Can you do some crazy shit like that? And then I was like, maybe that's a bad idea. Nope, you just went for it.
Oh yeah, man, full send, dude. Yeah,
fucking send.
You wanna fly this thing?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright.
Up to a lower stretch.
Yeah.
Alright.
Arms up, up. This is full flight. We wanna go right, bend the right elbow. All the way up, bend the left. Oh my God. Hold. You gotta get grip, right? Yep. Get flat.
You're like, go.
Flying it, man.
Oh my God.
Woo-hoo. Arms up. Let's go a little bit right. Yeah, arms up.
Yep.
Go a little left hand turn. You don't want to get too far downwind, all right?
Yeah. That was the most incredible thing I think I've ever done.
Yeah? Something you do again?
Absolutely. Oh my God.
What was your favorite part?
Honestly, just that feeling you get the minute you jump out. Like, that was
You like that free fall, huh?
I got the free fall. It was insane.
Well, you absolutely killed it, man. That was so good. Thank you so much,
dude,
for jumping with us in Skydive, Colorado.
Thank you for jumping with me, bro. Realistically, couldn't have done it without you.